Hair grease should be washed off using laundry detergent. You're supposed to put some measures in place after using the sulfate. Going by today's title, I know you must be wondering, did I just lose it and talk about laundry detergent on your hair? No, I didn't lose it. I have it all together, and I'm going to tell you in just a bit why I'm saying that hair grease should be washed off using laundry detergent.
Say what?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gakubu Ruth. How are you? Hope you're doing okay. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you're watching me from. So kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So we've been doing this series where I've been talking about hair grease. And the most important thing that you need to know is how to wash off hair grease out of your hair. And I dare say that you're supposed to wash hair grease out of your hair using laundry detergents. Yes, you heard me right. I said laundry detergents. And here is the reason why. Growing up, a story time coming in. Growing up, my mom never used any hair products on my low. Let me call them not hair products. Never used any shampoo on my hair. Yes, she did use conditioner, but I can't remember a day that she used any hair shampoo on my hair. And this is what would happen. She would boil water, cool it to be warm, and then add laundry detergent to the water and wash my hair with that. Why was she doing that? Because she was using hair grease on my hair. And now that I think about it, my hair would get cream to the point that once I go to the salon, they were so amazed at the fact that my hair wouldn't smoke during the blow drying process. So that's why I'm going back to the fact that I believe that sulfates are good for washing off hair grease only if, here is the catch, only if that you realize that sulfates are not good for your hair because they are drying. So you're supposed to put some measures in place after using the sulfate shampoo or whatever sulfate product that you're using. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you condition your hair properly immediately after using the laundry detergent. And if you ask me what laundry detergent, any washing powder that you use for your clothes and that is not harsh on your skin should be good to use on your hair. And here's the reason why. Hair grease is quite heavy, and that's why we are talking of it as being a good sealant. And for that reason, that's why your hair always feels soft once you use hair grease. But now here is also the other thing. The fact that it's a good sealant means that it's sitting on your hair, and most importantly, it's not absorbed in the hair. So it's sitting on the strands of your hair. So the only thing that you need to do is make sure that once you're washing off your hair, you use something that will wash it off in one wash. I know this sounds crazy, but yes, you need to wash it off with something that will wash it off in one wash because you don't want to spend a whole 2 hours just shampooing your hair. And I can assure you, shampoo is not enough to get hair grease off your scalp or off your hair strands, especially off your hair strands. And you will see the result. You'll see what I'm talking about once you're blow drying your hair. So this is the reason why. Hair grease will sit on your hair for so long. And let me ask you, when you have an oil stain or a grease stain on your clothes, what do? You soak it in warm water that you've added a detergent to. So what does that detergent do? It breaks off the grease. So the same thing happens. The grease needs to be broken off. The warm water softens the grease, but the detergents break off the grease. So that's how it is able to come off out of your hair, and you have clean hair. So what are the measures that you need to put in place immediately after doing that? You're supposed to condition your hair normally like you would after shampooing your hair. You condition your hair, rinse it off, and then you use that conditioner that you used to wash your hair, and then go in with a deep conditioner. This is the conditioner that once you apply it on your hair, you go under the dryer or you wear a shower cap for it to be absorbed into the hair. That's not enough. Once you've washed that off, you need to go in with a leave-in conditioner. Why am I talking of a leave-in conditioner and a deep conditioner? This is because a deep conditioner is only good for your hair for that period of time that it's sitting on your hair before you wash it off. Once you've washed it off, whatever was not absorbed does not benefit your hair and can be easily lost. So the leave-in conditioner comes in with added advantage in that it will be left sitting on your hair for longer periods of time. And that way you after you've styled your hair will still keep feeling soft and moisturized. Hope you got that point right. So after that, you go ahead and style your hair as desired. But most importantly, you need to condition your hair. Remember, use the detergent, whatever detergent that you're using, and don't use any harsh detergents. Please don't use any harsh detergents. We're not trying to kill we're not trying to break off some crazy bonds. You're not trying to break off cement out of your hair. What you're trying to break off is the bonds between the grease. So you need to use warm water, what you can sustain, and a powdered detergent. I know this sounds crazy, but has worked. If you don't use a powder, and if you're using a powdered detergent, I also dare say that you should go in with a bar soap, just a normal bar soap. In my back in the day, I used to use meningai soap, and I have realized that it still works until today. So that's what I use. All whatever you use to wash your body, that's what you should use during this process. Make sure that you wash your hair properly. Just apply it on your strands. Wash it off like you would once you're washing it with shampoo, and everything will turn out just okay. Then condition your hair with just a normal conditioner that you have sitting in there for 5 minutes, and then so that you can detangle the hair during that period of time, and then go in with a deep conditioner. Sit with a deep conditioner for 15 to 30 minutes depending on whether you're under the dryer or you're wearing a shower cap, depending on whatever you're doing. But never sit with a deep conditioner for longer than the time stated on the container or on the instructions of use of that um, deep conditioner. The next thing that you want to do is go in with a leave-in conditioner. Do not do a deep conditioner and not do a leave-in conditioner. I know it sounds crazy, but I do have a point here. The deep conditioner just sits in your hair for the time that it's there. The leave-in conditioner sits in your hair for a longer period of time. So you want that protection, and especially because it's just from stripping your hair off of all its oils and any dirt that was on it, because that's what grease does. Grease covers your hair with a thick coat, ensuring that your hair stays moisturized. So that's what you're trying to take off. So once you've taken that off, that does not spare your scalp and your hair from losing its natural oil. So that's what you're trying to restore using the deep conditioner and the leave-in conditioner. Once you've done that, go ahead and style your hair as desired, and let me know in the comment section. Once you've tried this, let me know what are your results. And thank you so much for watching until this far. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you want to see next. But let me tell you, I'm really enjoying doing this series. And anyone wondering if you've not watched my other videos, this is what I am using on my hair currently, and it's what I'll be using moving forward because I have realized that it has worked in the past, so I don't have anything to doubt that it won't work now. So until next time, guys, peace, and let me know in the comment section whether you'll be trying this and how it works out for you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.